Hello students, today we are going to start a third lesson of our English textbook, and the third lesson is Gopal and the Hills of Fish. See, have you ever read a comic book? Have you ever read a comic book? तुम्ही कधी comic book वाचलाय का? A comic book contains stories told mainly through pictures. See, it means that in comic books, picture describes the situations and the dialogues. Here in our lesson, same conversation, same dialogue form, just like a comic book has given here. So let's see, students. See, Gopal and the Hilsa fish. It was the season. See, it was the season. Hilsa fish fishermen could think of nothing but hilsa fish. See, on your screen you can see that there is a picture of the fishermen and they are catching a hilsa fish. तो सीझन होता hilsa fish पकडण्याचा. And then see, fishmongers sold nothing but hilsa fish. Come come by the price of hilsa is down today. See, there is a picture of market and one fish seller is selling of hilsa fish, and he is attracting people by saying that today the price of the hilsa fish is down. See, then here householders could take off nothing but hilsa fish. You can see in this picture the peoples are purchasing the hilsa fish and they are talking with each other. Here one person said that how much did you pay for that hilsa fish. आणि तिथं असलेल्या एक व्यक्ती एकमेकाला बोलतात, विचारत की तुम्ही कितीला हा हिल्सा फिश खरेदी केला. यू वुडंट बिलीव्ह इट इफ आय टोल्ड यू. अनदर वन सेड दॅट यू वुड नॉट बिलीव्ह, तू विश्वास ठेवणार नाहीस की मी हा हिल्सा फिश कितीला खरेदी केला. इट मीन्स दॅट स्टुडंट दिस इज द सीझन ऑफ हिल्सा फिश अँड एव्हरीबडी likes this hilsa fish. Everybody is purchasing this hilsa fish. See here, and in the palace too the courtiers could discuss nothing but hilsa fish. Here there is a picture of one king and courtiers are there, and they are also discussing about the hilsa fish. कोर्ट आहे तिथे एक किंग आहे आणि कोर्टियर सुद्धा हिल्सा फिश बद्दल एकमेकाशी डिस्कशन करतात. हियर वन कोर्टियर says to the king, your majesty, you should have seen the huge hilsa I caught. It was, see, one of the courtier said to the king, said that, hey, your majesty, महाराजा, तुम्ही पाहिलं का की मी केवढा मोठा हिल्सा खरेदी केला होता, हिल्सा फिश. Then here stop it. Here on the screen you can see, here king said that stop it. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? Here king gets angry and he scolds to his courtiers. He said that are you courtiers, तुम्ही courtiers आहात, राजदरबारी आहात का fishermen आहात. The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. किंग ऑल्सो फेल्ट गिल्टी. आणि ते सगळे कोर्टियर्स किंग ओरडल्यानंतर सगळे शांत बसतात आणि किंगला सुद्धा गिल्टी फील होतं. हिअर किंग सेज दॅट आय एम सॉरी, आय लॉस्ट माय टेम्पर. इट इज द सीझन फॉर हिल्सा फिश अँड नो वन. अँड हिअर किंग सेज सॉरी टू हिज कोर्टियर्स अँड सेड दॅट, तो किंग सगळ्यांना सॉरी म्हणतो आणि म्हणतो आपल्या कोर्टियर्सना, दरबारांना, की सॉरी बिकॉज हिअर इन आवर कोर्ट एव्हरीबडी स्पीकिंग अबाउट द हिल्सा फिश अँड नथिंग अनदर. आणि राजा म्हणतो की हा हिल्सा फिशचा सीझन आहे आणि सगळे फक्त आणि फक्त हिल्सा फिश बद्दल बोलतायत. नॉट इवन गोपाल कॅन स्टॉप एनीवन फ्रॉम टॉकिंग अबाउट हिल्सा फिश, not even for 5 minutes. And here another courtier said that, राजदरबारातला एक कोर्टियर म्हणतो की नॉट इव्हन गोपाल सुद्धा कोणाला हिल्सा फिशचं डिस्कशन करण्यापासून किंवा हिल्सा फिश बद्दल बोलण्यापासून थांबवू शकत नाही. इट मीन्स दॅट गोपाल इज वन ऑफ द कोर्टियर इन द किंग्स कोर्ट. सी स्टुडंट्स, गोपाल इज वन ऑफ द वी कॅन से वन ऑफ द talented courtier in the king's court. Here, oh, I think I could, your majesty. आणि इथं तो गोपाल आहे. सी ऑन युअर स्क्रीन यू कॅन सी गोपाल इज बाल्ड हेअर. And he said to the king that, oh, I think I could, your majesty. आणि गोपाल म्हणतो की हो, मी कोर्टियर्सना हिल्सा फिश बद्दल बोलण्यापासून थांबवू शकतो, त्यांना डायव्हर्ट करू शकतो. हिअर इट मीन्स दॅट गोपाल ॲक्सेप्ट द चॅलेंज of the king. Here king said that, now see, king is giving a challenge to the Gopal. Here see, king said that, then let me see you buy a huge hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. आणि मग king gives a challenge to the Gopal. King says to the Gopal that purchase or buy one big hilsa fish without asking anyone. आणि मग किंग गोपाला एक चॅलेंज देतो की तू एक मोठा हिल्सा फिश खरेदी कर आणि तो आपल्या दरबारात घेऊन ये, पण त्याच्याबद्दल कुणीही बोलता कामा नये किंवा त्या हिल्सा फिश बद्दल कुणीही काही विचारता कामा नये. दिस इज द चॅलेंज गिवन बाय द किंग टू द गोपाल. Here, see, Gopal, I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. Gopal असं म्हणतो की I accept the challenge, Your Majesty, my king. I accept your challenge. See, now here in the next picture, see, Gopal is there and his wife is there. A few days later, थोड्या दिवसानंतर, why is your face half shaven? See, that wife of the Gopal asking to the Gopal that why your face is half shaven, तू half shave का केलेली आहेस? I am dressing up to buy a fish. Here Gopal answers to his wife that I am dressing up to buy a fish. मी हिल्सा फिश खरेदी करण्याची तयारी करतोय. Here his wife again says, what's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? See, after half shaving, Gopal is rubbing ash on his face. See, in that picture, Gopal is rubbing ash. Ash means राख, तो आपल्या चेहऱ्यावर लावतोय. I told you, I am dressing up to buy a hilsa fish. Here again, Gopal replies to his wife. He says that I am dressing up for the to buy a hilsa fish. Then see, here see, and then listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? Here Gopal's wife get angry and she says that ती खूप रागावते आणि गोपाला म्हणते की प्लीज यू कांट पॉसिबली गो आउट इन दोज डिस्ग्रेसफुल रॅग्स. तू अशा कपड्यांच्या मध्ये अशा अवतारामध्ये तू बाहेर जाऊ नकोस. अँड हियर गोपाल सेज हाऊ मेनी टाइम्स मस्ट आय टेल यू वुमन आय एम आउट टू बाय अ ह्यूज हिल्सा फिश. आणि गोपाल तिला म्हणतो की मी तुला किती वेळा सांगितलं की मी हिल्सा फिश खरेदी करायला निघालोय. इट्स हॅपन टू हिम, ही इज गॉन मॅड. आणि तिची बायको म्हणते की बहुतेक गोपाल वेडा झालाय. सी, in the market, see, Gopal bought the hilsa fish and started working towards the palace. Here in the first picture you can see that Gopal is already bought a hilsa fish, and here in that market one boy is saying, mother, look at that man, isn't he comical? आणि त्या मार्केटमध्ये एक मुलगा त्याच्याकडे फिंगर दाखवतो आणि म्हणतोय की मदर लुक ॲट दॅट मॅन इजंट ही कॉमिकल. आई त्या माणसाकडे बघ, तो फनी दिसत नाही आहे का? सी, देर इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ गोपाल. ही इज हाफ शेव्ड as well as he has rubbed ash on his face. His clothes are completely torn. He is in a very shabby dress and there is hilsa fish in his hand. See, then in the market people are chit chatting with each other, gossiping with each other. He must be a madman. See, one man says he must be a madman. Hush, I think he is a mystic. Mystic म्हणजे साधू. मला वाटते की कोणतरी तो संन्यासी साधू असावा. or he is a madman. See, in the next picture, when Gopal reached the court, आता गोपाल कोर्ट मध्ये येतो. what do you want? See, there are the doorkeepers and they are asking to the Gopal, what do you want? Here Gopal says that I want to see the king. आणि गोपाल म्हणतो की I want to see the king, I want to meet the king. Then you can't see the king, get away with you. The doorkeeper said that, the courtier said that you can't see the king, you can't meet the king. Here on the next picture, Gopal began to dance and sing loudly, and when these courtiers not allowing him to meet the king, at that time he started to dance and sing loudly. See, inside the palace, see, inside the palace, king is inside the palace, king is listening inside the palace. The man is crazy, throw him out at once, I want to see the king, let me in. King is listening the conversations or the sounds of the people which were outside the palace. Bring that man to me at once. Yes, your majesty. Then king ordered to his to his courtier that bring that man, I want to meet him. See on the next picture, Gopal has brought before the king. It's Gopal. See, after king's order, the doorkeepers bring Gopal inside, and all these courtiers recognized him. They said that it is a Gopal. See, Gopal is in a very funny, funny dressing. The man has lost his mind. See, courtiers are now gossiping. They are saying to each other, the man has lost his mind. आय थिंक इट्स वन ऑफ हिज क्रेझी जोक्स. आणि मग ते कोर्ट्रेस एकमेकाला म्हणतात की बहुतेक गोपाल वेडा झाला किंवा तो त्याचा एखादा जोक असावा. नाव सी, ऑल राईट गोपाल, आउट विथ इट. वाय आर यू ड्रेस अप इन दिस रिडिक्युलस फॅशन? Now king said that. Now come on Gopal, let me know, why are you in a ridiculous fashion? Your majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. आणि गोपाल म्हणतो की युअर मॅजेस्टी, महाराज तुम्ही काहीतरी विसरलेला आहात. Here king said that, forgotten something? मी काहीतरी विसरलोय. Strangely enough, no one seems be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. आणि मग तो गोपाल रिमाइंड करून देतो, आठवण करून देतो की स्ट्रेंजली नो वन इज इंटरेस्टेड इन हिल्सा फिश, नो वन इज इन मार्केट, इवन नो वन इज ऑन द रोड, no one is in the palace and in the court. Nobody asked me about the Hilsa fish. Nobody is interested in the Hilsa fish. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to a Gopal. त्याच्यानंतर मग किंगला आपलं चॅलेंज आठवलं. Ha ha, well Gopal, congratulations, you have achieved the impossible once again. And king said that, king reminded his challenge which he was given to the Gopal, and he said that, ha ha Gopal, you won. You have achieved the impossible once again. And king give him congratulations. In this way Gopal completed his challenge which were given by the king. Without asking anybody, he brought a Hilsa fish in front of the king, because everybody was talking about his funny appearance. In this way Gopal has completed his challenge. So students, see, this is a very interesting lesson, interesting comic dialogue we have seen, and in this way we have completed this chapter. So read it loudly and enjoy it. Okay, till then, take care.